As you guys can tell by the title of the video, you guys know what day it is. It's delivery day, bro. I'm taking in my wide body. I'm on my way to go pick it up. And shout out to Lee Crazy. He a real one. Excited as fuck to get this wide body kit. And I hope you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day. If you guys are, hit that like button. If you guys are new, hit the subscribe button and join the family, you know what I mean? Also, if you guys haven't watched Spider-Man, go watch that shit, because that shit was good as fuck. Right, Yuli? That shit was crazy. I'm not gonna spoil it or anything, but you guys gotta go. You guys gotta go watch that shit. You guys gotta go watch it because it's amazing. I want to see it again. Yuli wants to see it again.
If you haven't seen it by now, it deserves to get spoiled. That's it.
No cap. No cap.
Go watch it.
So, who comes out and... Oh, guys. They just sent me pictures of my car. Oh my god, I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Hey, no spoilers, no spoilers.
No spoilers, I can't show you guys through my phone, but oh my god, I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to see it in person too, so. Oh, we're both in for a treat, because I haven't even seen it other than pictures. I haven't seen it myself in person, so we're both about to be surprised. Guys, we're here. All the way at the end of that. My heart pumping right now. I'm a little excited right now. Oh fuck, bro. Oh fuck, I'm a little nervous right now, cuz. Holy shit, bro. I can see it right there. It's probably like, bro, come on, get the fuck out of here. So, what's up, brother? I'm excited. Oh shit. Shit. Fuck, dude. Jeez, y'all, here is the wide body kit. Let me fucking show y'all. Fuck, bro. As y'all can see, wide body is now on, and you guys can see the fucking gap. Oh my god, bro. They just literally killed their paint match. Looks amazing. GL Designs, the man in the making right there. Look at this, bro. It looks so good. Just wait till I get the wheels right, everything. Bro, oh my god, I'm in shock right now, bro. Look at this, bro. Holy shit, bro, this is insane, bro. Literally insane. But you guys can see.
I just took that fucking I took a shot of it to see if it works out. Fucking
we gotta see this, fix this. Looks really good. Just like with the wider wheels, it's gonna look way better. But fuck, bro. You guys get the idea. Fuck. And this is the man behind it. Yo, my boy right here. This is the man behind the story on the wide body kit. You're the one. Y'all go show some love. And bro, look at this shit. This is just insane, bro. Literally insane. I don't want to hold him too long because he's got to catch a flight. So we just gonna. You guys see it. Guys, I wish I could show you better lighting, but like it's nighttime and I wanted to show you guys in the morning, but I feel like I'm gonna have to show you guys more tomorrow. But oh my god, it looks so good. The girth, bro, how thick she is. Look at that. And wait till I get the wheels and it's gonna sit nice and flush. Oh,
You're here. Does that shit come out?
Oh, yo, I need to tell him about that, bro. Because my lights never did that. Hell
I mean, I saw it. He knew that I saw it too, right?
Nah, hell no. I'm gonna tell him, bro. I'm like, yo, you know how that water got inside? Because I never have water inside that. Hell no, bro.
I mean, that might dry up with the light inside.
Bro, what the fuck? If not, I'm gonna tell him. But I'm gonna tell him regardless, because I never had that. Oh no, that's a no-no for me. Other than that, the car looks good, nice and thick. Paint looks good. Thicky, bro, she's a thickie. I just need to get the wheels. That's why she's looking funny right now, but thicky. Guys, it feels so good to be back in my car, and bro, it looks so good. I want to show you guys more, but we're gonna probably have to wait till tomorrow because it's so dark out right now. And like, you guys saw what you guys saw, but I obviously want to show you guys so much more. I want to see how it looks in the day, in the light, because I don't even know how it looks in the light. So bro, it's crazy, it's surreal. It's here, it's done, it's mine. Now I just gotta get wheels in. It's gonna look pretty. Guys, I feel so happy to have my car back. Like, I don't know, bro, just having my car back feels so different. Bro, it's so much. Oh my god. I do want to see if they properly sanded the cut, because if not, I'm gonna probably have to get that sanded, because once I get wider wheels, that's gonna cut my wheels. It's gonna cut my tires. So I gotta see that right now. You guys saw in the video when I pointed it up under the fender, you can see that it didn't really look like it was sanded down properly. It just looked like it was cut and just left and put the wide body slap on, which is kind of like a no-no, bro, because you're gonna get your tires ripped up like that. So I gotta definitely see. Shout out to the truck behind me for the lighting. So, but yeah, we gotta see that. But other than that, the car looks pretty good. I actually like it. I just want to see if the color matches in the sun, and I didn't get to see it in the sun, so I'm a little nervous about that. You guys can definitely see it better in this lighting. Look how it looks, bro. Wide bodies hit a max. It is dusty. I need to give it a wash because, bro, damn, it feels rough. But you guys get the picture, bro. You guys get the picture. Look how wide this shit is. Just when I get the wheels and the tires set up and all that, it's gonna look nice, bro. I really like how it turned out. Like, just when it gets an aggressive, more lip kit and everything around it, it's gonna look clean. And this is annoying me so bad, so I gotta get this fixed, because when I'm driving, it flickers like it wants to turn off. So I gotta fix that ASAP. But yeah, there she is, y'all. Wide body as F. Yeah. And good morning, everybody. It is obviously the next day, and we are about to go to the gym and hit some legs. And guys, I saw the car this morning in the sun, and it looks beautiful. How the TRD looks wide bodied. It just looks so good. But let's go get this squat day in, and let's go get thick. So guys, I wanted to show you guys the car more with light, but there's not that much light because obviously you guys see the sunset beaming on my face. But there she is, a little bit better in kind of sun. But that's the wide body kit for y'all. Y'all see it. I obviously need wider wheels. They will be coming soon, but she's done, guys, and she's home. She is home. Look at this. I just can't wait till I get the wider wheels. It's gonna sit so much better and look way more flush, for real. But yeah, guys, what y'all think? Let me know in the comments section below. What do you guys think of the wide body kit? Because I really want to get you guys' opinions on this. I really want to know what you guys think. But guys, this is what the wide body kit looks like. Like, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like, do you guys fuck with it? Do you guys not? You know, let me know what y'all think. But I'm gonna end the video here, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, share this video, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new. But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.